Hi, my name's Rahini and I'm an audit portfolio lead at Lloyds Banking Group. I work in group internal audit and my role is to lead a team of auditors to review how management ensures the systems that we use to service Lloyds, Halifax and Bank of Scotland customers are safe, are secure, operating as expected and available when customers need access to their money and other banking services. Mathematics was always my strongest subject at school. I loved working with numbers, solving problems, and the fact that there was always a right solution highly appealed to me. My mum used to always say that my favourite toy was one of those shop tills, and I would, happily spend hours selling toys to my baby brother for play money. So I guess I was interested in business and finance. So it only made sense that I chose a field of study that combined them both. Economics revolves around us and impacts each and every one of us through the decisions you and I make on how we choose to spend our wealth, how governments and firms used to deploy their scarce resources, to how the world functions as a society. I found economics to be an ideal way to improve my understanding of the world we live in whilst pursuing my interests in business and finance. I studied finance and management sciences at the London School of Economics as an undergraduate. The degree covered various topics from financial accounting, economics, operational research to organisational behaviour and statistics. I mainly chose this course for the interdisciplinary skills it offered me, but also the variety of career options I would end up having when I graduated. Accounting and finance were my favourite subjects at university, and I felt inspired to specialise in the subject by doing a chartered accountancy qualification after meeting past students at career fairs who represented some of the big four professional services firms such as EY and Deloitte and KPMG. After I graduated, I applied for a placement, a graduate scheme placement within financial audit at Deloitte. I completed all my interviews successfully, but then they told me that they'd run out of vacancies. But they did offer me a role in enterprise risk services, which audits technology risks for clients across the world. At that point I thought, why not? It's an opportunity to learn a new skill, and I still could study for the chartered accountancy qualification, so I said yes. So I spent 2 years at Deloitte working there, and then I joined Santander internal audit to do IT audit as a specialism, and worked across various disciplines from auditing servers, networks, databases, to then auditing IT applications such as the bank's current and savings account platform. It piqued my interest in that area, and I wanted to understand further about the key processes that a bank operates, how it services customers, and wanted to develop my technical skills as well. So I joined Lloyds in a specialist IT application audit role in 2015, and I'm working there since. To join organisations such as Deloitte, Santander or Lloyds, a degree in economics, finance and accounting will be an added advantage because it will show that you have the interpersonal skills, but also the transferable skills such as problem solving, time management, working independently, working as part of a team, but also presentation skills. In terms of career development, I was quite a quiet child growing up. I lacked self-confidence at school, but over the years I've developed personally, and now I'm leading a team and inspiring women to achieve their potential. The world of finance, economics and accounting provides great opportunities to grow your career quickly to senior management level, and develop those transferable skills that I mentioned earlier, like problem solving, commercial awareness, time management and collaboration skills, all of which are very vital in today's business world. Women representation at the top table definitely needs to increase, and that can only happen if young women pick up subjects such as finance, economics and accounting to create a solid foundation for a career in business. In terms of my book recommendation, I'm recommending the international bestseller Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman for students interested in economics. For those of you who don't know, Daniel was the winner of the Nobel Prize for Economics in 2002. It's a highly informative and enjoyable read for anyone wanting an insight into the human mind, how we make decisions, as well as behavioural economics, and it really challenges the theory that decisions are made on a rational basis. So I'll definitely highly recommend this book. Thank you.